may not know that the fuel that is currently used to heat Gila is running out. So if the school had to buy the 230,000 gallons of fuel, that'd be $1,250,000 just for fuel. Just fuel. That's not operating the boiler, paying the guys to do it, all that stuff. But this fuel will cost about $300,000. Here we are, about 270 miles straight line from Fairbanks, and as you can see on your flight in, there's a pretty vast section of the interior boreal forest surrounding us. It's not the type of timber that you're going to be able to make a whole lot of lumber out of, but that definitely is not our purpose. Our purpose is to provide affordable, renewable fuel source for the school.
You know, we've got a school here that serves 80 different communities, kids coming from all over the place. We've got a strong academic program, a very strong career and technical education program, and bottom line is if we didn't have some other energy source, there's a good chance we wouldn't be able to operate. This facility was not built as a school. We, again, took over the Air Force Base. So we have a lot of outbuildings. On this side of the campus, we've got our culinary program, we have our cosmetology program. We've got both of our construction shops, our carpentry and welding programs. It's not a matter of trying to make things better, it's truly a matter of survival, that from a financial standpoint, if we were to have to go out and purchase the fuel at a market value, we couldn't do it.
My name is Sean Champagne from Tok, Alaska, born and raised. I am here training equipment operators to become forestry operators, which is a little different than dealing with gravel. It's a little more technical, I guess is the word.
I consider Galena my home. I wasn't born here. I was born in Barrow, Alaska. My mom, she said the first time I saw trees, I used to cry because they were scary, I guess. And I love cutting them down, so I don't know. That processing unit, it grabs trees, cuts them, takes off the branches with blades and rollers, and stacks them wherever you want them. Not super difficult to learn, but it's definitely hard to master. We try to get them into all the butts, the bottom part of the tree, into one big pile, so it makes it easier for the skidder to grab it and pull it to a landing over here. We're trying to leave as small footprint as we can because, it's, for one thing, it's respectful to the land, and that's something that should be taken into account. Another thing is cost efficiency. The least amount of movement we make with gathering wood, the more money we save.
Big logging companies on the lower 48 have learned that too. There's not that much land, so they're learning how to farm trees. On the road system, there's schools already doing it. There's little villages already doing it. And the bigger picture than that is in other countries, you have entire cities run off it, and they're farming the forest. And in Galena, they're trying to farm cottonwood, which is something that nobody uses anyways. It grows back fast, so it's a great idea. I mean, you're taking a natural resource, a renewable natural resource, and making the most of it.
So the 4,700 acres here outlined on that map is intended to work out for 20 years. The cool thing is, it's not us who's going to decide that. It's going to be the future generations, which is also part of this, is getting the youth involved, kind of changing your way of thinking a little bit about how we do things and how we fuel our utilities, and we fuel our community.